Blessings on the Prophet after the Tashahhud. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. O Allah, bestow your favor on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and on the family of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as you have bestowed your favor on Ibrahim alayhi salam and on the family of Ibrahim. You are praiseworthy. O Allah, bless Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the family of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as you have blessed Ibrahim alayhi salam and the family of Ibrahim alayhi salam. You are praiseworthy, most glorious.